What's that, pup? Got my snow dog. My snow dog, yes. Oh, geez, Max. Hey, pup. So I know I probably shouldn't, but I want to see how she'll react to it. Oh. What is it, Lily? Right up to the steps. Looks like Jasmine wants to give it a go. What's wrong, Jasmine? You not go for a ride? Max, come over here. Jasmine's ready to go inside. Max is still doing his thing. You want to go inside? No? Okay, come on, let's go. Let's go inside.